In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove conditional formatting in Google Sheets. If you have cells in your spreadsheet that are automatically changing color based on certain rules and you want to remove that effect, the process is quick and straightforward. Conditional formatting is useful for highlighting values, deadlines, duplicates, or trends, but sometimes you may want to clean up the sheet or remove rules that are no longer needed. To get started, open your Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where the conditional formatting has been applied. Make sure you're on the correct tab if your file contains multiple sheets, because formatting rules can apply differently depending on where you are working. Next, click and highlight the cells that currently have the conditional formatting you want to remove. This step is important because it helps Google Sheets show the relevant formatting rules connected to that selection. If you're not sure exactly which cells are affected, take a moment to identify the colored or styled range before moving on. Once the cells are selected, go up to the top menu and click on Format. This menu gives you access to many appearance-related options for your spreadsheets, including text styling, number formatting, and of course, conditional formatting. From the Format menu, click on Conditional formatting. As soon as you do that, a panel will open on the right-hand side of the screen. This side panel is where Google Sheets displays the rules currently applied to the selected cells. Each rule controls when and how the formatting appears, such as changing the background color or text color based on a value or condition. Now, in the right-hand panel, hover your mouse over the conditional formatting rule you want to remove. When you place your cursor over the rule, you should be able to see the delete option more clearly. Then click on the bin icon, which is the delete rule button. As soon as you click it, that conditional formatting rule will be removed from the selected cells. You should immediately see the formatting disappear if that was the only rule affecting those cells. If the formatting still remains, it may mean there are multiple rules applied to the same range. So check the panel carefully and remove the correct one. And that's it. You've successfully removed conditional formatting in Google Sheets. This is a simple but helpful skill to know when you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner, more consistent, or easier to manage.